How to change the name on Monopoly Go. Do you want to change your name in the Monopoly Go app? No problem. As you can see on the screen, I have been given a random name assigned by the Monopoly Go game when the account was created. Of course, if you are playing with friends, you would probably prefer to have a name you like in the game. I'll show you how to change it. Open the Monopoly Go app. Then, tap on the three lines in the upper right corner to access your account. Here at the top is my current name. I want to change it, so I will click on my current avatar here. Next, tap on the pencil icon next to the name. Enter the new name in the field. The name must contain at least 3 characters. Once you have entered the desired name, tap the Submit button to save the changes. A window will open asking for one more confirmation that you want to change the name. Keep in mind that you can change your name up to 3 times. If you still want to change the name, tap the Submit button again. In addition to the name, you can also change your avatar. Find an avatar you like and click on it. When you select the desired avatar, tap the Save button. And your new name is set along with the new avatar. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want to keep following our content, subscribe to the channel and like the video.